Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Asghar, teacher of mathematics, Vegas courses, Mudinga. How are you, student? We now solve some remaining problem. The first problem is mark price of a washing machine is 3,640 rupees. It is given mark price of a washing machine 3,640 rupees, while sale price it is given 3,367 rupees. We have to find just discount percentage. डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज। स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे ये बताया गया है कि एक वॉशिंग मशीन जिसकी प्राइस उसके ऊपर रिटर्न है मार्क प्राइस 3,640 रुपीज एंड सेल प्राइस, और ये बेची जाती है 3,367 रुपीज की। आपने सिंपल डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज बताना है। व्हाट इज डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज? तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड डिस्काउंट, सिंपल डिस्काउंट। इट इज डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज, वी फाइंड डिस्काउंट एंड डिस्काउंट इज इक्वल टू mark price minus sale price. Mark price which is 3,000, sale price, after subtraction we get this from this 273 rupees, which is simple discount. ये वो डिस्काउंट है, कंसेशन है जो दी जाती है फ्रॉम शॉपकीपर टू द परचेजर। वी नो फाइंड डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज एंड डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज ऑलवेज कैन बी कंप्यूटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मार्क प्राइस एंड डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज मार्क प्राइस डिस्काउंट over mark price multiply 100. Mark price which is 3,000 discount which is 273 and mark price which is 3,640 multiply 100. After simplification, student, we get 7.5%, which is the discount percent, 7.5. Second problem, student, mark price of a book is 480. Mark price which is given 480 rupees, while shopkeeper offers a discount 10%. And still gain 8% profit. Find the price of at which shopkeeper purchased it. We have to find purchase price. In this problem, purchase price and cost price are equal. Mark price which is 480, discount which is 10%, profit 8%. We find cost price. Here is 480 rupees, mark price, discount 10%. We find only 10% of this amount. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट बताया गया है बुक है उसके ऊपर 480 रुपीज उसकी प्राइस है, डिस्काउंट दिया जाता है 10%, 10% के हिसाब से डिस्काउंट। तो ये रेट ऑफ डिस्काउंट है। वी फाइंड अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्काउंट, वी जस्ट फाइंड 10% ऑफ दिस अमाउंट 480, वी फाइंड अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्काउंट। अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्काउंट विच इज 10% ऑफ 480, 480 multiplied 10%, 10 by 100, we get 48 rupees. 48 rupees which is amount of discount. We now find sale price. If mark price is 480, अगर mark price 480 आपके पास, तो आप find करेंगे sale price. Sale price is equal to mark price minus discount. Minus discount. Here mark price 480 minus discount only 48 rupees. Sale price which become 432 rupees. 432 rupees, which is the sale price. At this sale price, shopkeeper still gain 10% profit after give 10% discount. Here is the problem. Shopkeeper sell it for 32 rupees and he give discount 10% and still make profit 8%. We will find purchase price at this profit. Here is the new data. Sale price is this. Now profit. Profit is equal to 8%. We will find purchase price or cost price. Both are equal in this case. Cost price we have to find. Here is the new data. Now saturation is this. Sale price is 432 rupees and profit 8%. Cost price which is we have to find cost price. Cost price is equal to we know cost price in case when profit is given. If loss is given, the formula is another. If profit is given, cost price is equal to 100 over 100 plus profit percentage multiply sale price. By this formula we find cost price 100 over 100 plus, here is profit 8% which is 8 multiply sale price which is 432 rupees. We get cost price 100 by 108 multiply 432 rupees. After simplification we have 108 4 times 32 and 4 multiply 100 we get 400 rupees. It will be the cost price. It will be the cost price. Thank you student. Hope it will be enough for today. Okay, thank you.